Lightning Truncheon just got a shocking update. Say goodbye to the old scaling. Now it's passive. Resonate deals a flat 170 plus 85% of your total magic power. And the best part? No more 3-target limit. It zaps everyone. But heads up, the movement speed bonus, that's gone. Still, this adjustment means way better minion clear and huge teamfight damage in the mid to late game. Let me know in the comments, which hero do you think fits best with the adjusted Lightning Truncheon? Thanks for watching.